Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be washing this forest of a hair with the gifted Garnier methods for curls. I'm very excited to be trying this because it is sulfate free and it is known to be hydrating and for all hair types including us 4C girlies. So let's get into this package. Upon opening this package, it smells lovely. Amazing is the word. So it comes with a shampoo, which is numbered 1, and the mask number 2, and the spray, which is numbered 3. So the shampoo is sulfate free, silicone free, no artificial colorants. It is a vegan formula. It contains hyaluronic moisture complex and of course shea fatty acid, and we know that looking at the ingredients of the products that we're using for our hair is very important. So that's number one. I really loved that. So I'm going to start off by sectioning out the hair. That she has so much hair that if I do not section it, this hair will not be clean even after washing. So I advise everyone, before you wash your hair, regardless of how long, thick your hair is, make sure you wash your hair in section. It also helps prevent any tangling of any sort. I am also spraying it with water and a little bit of peppermint oil in that water. So I section it out. I take a little bit of the shampoo and I put it on each side that I sectioned out, massage it, then twist it. As we can see, this shampoo lathers, right? And if you follow this channel, you know that I like anything that lathers, be it facial soap, shampoo, it just has to ladder. So one of the goals of today's video is to find out if these products are actually as hydrating as they claim. You are supposed to have moisture in your hair for up to 7 days after using the set. So we are going to find out. We're also going to find out if it is 4C kinky approved, because kinky hair girls, we are always looking for that product that will make wash day easier, that will make detangling easier and pain free. So at the end of today's video, I will be letting you know if it really detangled, if it's really pain free, if it did what it was supposed to do. If you're new to taking care of your hair by yourself, you don't have to worry. On the bottle of the shampoo, the steps on how to wash your hair is written on it, so you don't have to worry about any of that. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash out the shampoo. Now I'm moving on to the second step, which is using the mask. Guys, this mask smells amazing as well, and it is very thick. Not sure if you guys can already see that shine that the hair has compared to the beginning when it was so dry. So this mask can be used either as a leave-in or you could wash it out. I also use this mask because it is the method of curls. I use it for my boho braids. When you don't have mousse, you just use a little bit of this and it will kick those curls back into action. Okay, now I went ahead and washed it out. As you guys can see, the hair is not tangled at all, and that says a lot. After rinsing it off, I am now going to take again a little bit of the mask to just put on the hair. I do like the way the mask makes the hair feel, and we are going for a wash and go. Nothing, no twist out, no nothing. It also helps detangle the hair as well, which is why I am adding a little bit. Then I am going to go in with the spray. As you guys can see, it's actually very easy for me to put my fingers through this hair. There's no sort of tangle, and that's what I really like about this. So check. This is a hydrating mask. Yes, hydrating. We have that one checked off. We also have the fact that it smells amazing. Check. we also have the fact that it is a great detangler. So for the last step, I am going to use the spray. This spray can also be used on like your lock method, LOC, LCO. You could use the spray for that as well in the morning or on your boho braids as well. Now that we know that, it also helps kick in the curls for boho braids as well. So I would just go ahead, fluff this hair, then finally go in with that spray that we talked about. The spray as well smells amazing, and I really like the fact that this brand took their time with their packaging, with the ingredients. They laid everything out. So back to the $1,000,000 question: is this 4C kinky approved? And the answer, guys, is yes. It is 4C kinky approved. It is hydrating, and I feel like all 4C kinky girlies and everyone should definitely try this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.